entinanka the reason show ya or this year ba o say on can be but onu ahwe said na Sammy Gyamfi si opposition na no den bibia no chabe oni munyanza si no bia kasa di mpanifo nyina atem said o si kasa in opposition na or this year ba SNE Penyah mame so men kasa bi enti or this year ba abekere na adwen ewo $214 million loss na GoldBod across Ghana no abekere na adwen ewo ho mema nkyeremu no akere wadwen amame ewo comment section hi Penyah block media message wan say ni di mu obe like video no other ma subscribe button sound click notification icon of latest update time bakere wadwen di amame ewo comment section so baso no ache for Penyah bi ahwe enti last week ana IMF International Monetary Fund omo edeba ye se Ghana ya boka na ka ya bon every GoldBod ho ne ba ye just within 9 months now GoldBod eba into assistance na omo engaging transactions na omo go ton gold ewa mana ne world market for eba Ghana ha ngo pesika da bre ye no just say 9 months jodi no mudi ye omo bo kasurusuro $214 million o de ba enisi kai mo 2.5 billion Ghana cedis kano 25 trillion se Ghana ya boka o na what did you answer about 25 trillion na wa sisi hwe o de wa sisi hwe just imagine enye kakuma just na Ghana ya boka surusuro na eno ba ye no na Sammy Gyamfi eno ba na Sammy Gyamfi ko tena tibetiri ko sun ye ense anya no kure ana IMF ya jandam etiame adwuma me bono just IMF omu ya eno mu ka ana MPB for no so abesom ana omu ka quarter last Sammy Gyamfi beji to even if we've made laws with now, what matters is the benefit of GoldBod to Ghana. Wow. Let's say we admitted the fact say Omaboka Ekaba. We admitted the fact say Ekaba. What does it? Yaboka Sulu Emma media so amount for ever dem na busia the reason show or this year ba we any semwa or catch Sammy Gyamfi.
We Sammy Gyamfi. Na me no ka say breaking news abebo me say Sammy Gyamfi according to Ghana Bank of Ghana and of IMF almost Sammy Gyamfi aye day gold no waton waboka ne kano anoden 200 say $40 million over $200 million and almost say Sammy Gyamfi waton niema boka eniema beya gold now gold so yaton boka hey.
Yeah, draped in gold, you know the status. We getting rich, this ain't average. Every chain heavy, every watch platinum. Draped in gold, you know the status. We getting rich, this ain't.
It is Sammy Gyamfi. Say yes, highway ni sonon or trendy. Ni nyina say Bank of Ghana and the IMF report be about on teacher say mato gold when ya gold ade chia gold board na gold yes waboka. Sammy Gyamfi aboka. Na sika ni nyesika kitu over $200 million losses ena wo mo de abeto abonten na we ni papani ye wan bi ni na im say no de on say bosu ke na mamu no wato media no media ni nyina no ayeka say on tese do go bi no abe wo sorry ade open wo ye wono say job ese wono wa ye say dwamfu no wonti obi anka enti Sammy Gyamfi wa boka enko se hwe sa wo on ba be ya no strategically we expect the MPP no largest opposition party say Dr. Bawumia economy no obi economist former vice president when they say ko Babonti o Bawumia eso Babonti na be expose wo mo enso ba ye hwe doctor yi hunu ba bia asem na nya ye ka
afin chiapa afiaso ene Christ awoda yenyina ye dibronya tina bese me ye video na em say ebe ye video a itwato e 2025 na media da munyina mose na yada Nyankopon so ase so ama adepa ache adepa afi atoye em say ye start here afi no nsem bebre ekoso na yedum bi ede anotumu na em say NDC for ebemu no one of the flagship program the bia ye can say Dr. Bawumia itsumudo or the program ne by no gold for reserves and now say gold for oil and ye hwajuma buying MPP buying hwajuma 2023-2024 so initiative we know it was announced in 2021 by Dr. Bawumia now munyina se mokaya NDC for buy no omdo manu atum and a gold for oil, gold for reserve, non-MPP for government, and it was a scam, and there were 2 billion losses, and away. Na ye no mi beka say adwobre ade a mo bae beto ye no aida se mo tiase e na boapayo nti no mo pese mo tum futuro gu Ghana fo ani ana ade am beto ye no mo ntiase nti ye nchechire mo Ato Force in Finance Minister on various platforms are na gold for oil no obie no ha o G gold obie ni wa o de oil buy G gold and we no ye no NDC for omaba omuyi bibi fufro is something new. It's got nothing to do with what the MPP was doing. Me Kujupuku Eka said I am the authority on gold for oil because media machro kata I'm a Bank of Ghana for I actually na what you bear me and say no me interview be a war GH1 muma yenhwe video no na muti asma me kan.
The program which is ongoing now, which is Bank of Ghana giving cedis to PMMC, now GoldBod.
Yes.
When PMMC stroke GoldBod goes out to buy the gold, the forex they use in the exchange to buy the gold, right? When they bring the gold to Bank of Ghana, the internal forex of Bank of Ghana is different from what the PMMC stroke GoldBod have used. So that amounted to 1.2 billion Ghana cedis losses. That losses, as I speak to you today, is still ongoing with the program going on. Bank of Ghana will release their 2025 report next year, and we will see what that losses is. The second,
Me yes our video me yes I interview no GH1 no me ka say afiso on the Bank of Ghana no omu ndi omo so cause it was say omo ye transparent or ye audit yi de me pona me say afiso ne yakọ 2026 omo audited accounts ba ye be hu so omo aboka bi ana omo mboka bi abra program aban ne CEO omo di omo to gold omo no ma ba program omo di aban e bi mada into omo to gold the atop gold for reserves. Me can no imribi twemu say Dr. Baumia idea the buy no na gold for reserves and gold for oil. NDC for buy no omu jai gold for oil even before NDC you call IMF program no and IMF for catch the MPP government say gold for oil no they should stop it because they felt say it does not sit well with the IMF giving new money and then what the Bank of Ghana was doing. And admittedly, there were some losses. How was the losses coming about? Say the Bank of Ghana for the almost a share kratas trauma. I mean, kind letter no paragraph back. Bank of Ghana for say loss on gold transaction amounted to 1.8 billion, which were mainly due to exchange rate differential. The exchange rate used in the local gold market for the gold purchases and the bank internal rate. As such as say udi sika emma PMMC and our GoldBod so omunkoto gold. They be an okwa krasi say okoto gold small scale miners no omu use world market price. One world market price is in dollar. Into omu the oma dollar rate omu pay and a price gold no in cedis. Omo to gold no Emma GoldBod for no they are not using the Bank of Ghana rate. Enti uno Bank of Ghana for edisika amount. Use Bank of Ghana rate. No ko use any whatever rate any pana o to gold no edi amount. Enti uko to gold ni bre Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana for use omo internal rate na which is lower. Bank of Ghana for aboka sikana omdema no. Secondly, gold now Bank of Ghana for no okotono krasi ama Bank of Ghana enya pure gold o impurities wo afina Bank of Ghana for no kwa refine sa gold no omo ko refine sa gold na sa no metumi aton enti no kakakra e ba beda so enti all these things no were happening before during the MPP time no and no and the mass our gold program now and they no befriend gold for oil o befriend gold for reserves so a ma MPP address no 1.8 billion Ghana cedis eka ebeda ho ye kan obi ase ye no kre NMPP for na there enei abetodwa bosomen kono 9 months under GoldBod no eka abeda ho eye 2.4 billion Ghana cedis. IMF for krata on beto no almost say abandon share na Bank of Ghana for adjubre because Even the 1.8 billion NDC for Asɛm, it was between the year of 2023 and 2024. And then NDC for by within 9 months, a car my Bank of Ghana for 2.4 billion. You can't muma yenka. Intimate Ghana for. So reset na moto aba ne mine dia. Moto aba fun pa, moto aba yogu because adie bia mi kojupoku any MPP for ye tinyo me biase no ye kano NDC force nye no kre. As time goes on no, we are gradually realizing say in sembia na ye mu bi kano e no kre trudo misramo. Any we can asem the chicks and the chicken has come home to roost. A car NDC a Bank of Ghana for any dollar now almost pumpy ama city na ba from no gold no more talk program or more a car abeda ho no a year 2.4 billion Ghana cedis. As time goes on, with the more revelations and more information but to Madam Wase I finish paso.
As our government, yes. Good morning to all Ghanaians out there. Merry Christmas to you. In fact, Ghana is a country that, I don't know, to quote the words of our former president and now president, that Ghanaians have short memory. We know that Sammy Gyamfi GoldBod used to have the map. This guy will go to jail. This guy will do this, and just 9 months, you have caused a financial loss through your dubious operations, about $240 million. What? Hey! Sammy Gyamfi, is that how you can become? In fact, it's so scary, so mentally drilled that a young guy like you who has future in politics will cause a whopping amount of $240 million financial loss to this country. And teachers are out there crying. Over 6,000 teachers are there. They have worked for 10 months and you give them 1 month and say we should clap for you. Over 7,000 unemployed teachers are there, out there crying. They just want to be enrolled onto government payroll, but no one is minding them. Why? And you are giving money, just dashing money out. Sammy Gyamfi is spending dollars. Why wouldn't they be financial loss? That is the question. If someone goes around, he's using Range Rover, Porsche and Sports Range Rover, why wouldn't they be financial loss in this country? And we are all sitting aloof, looking at him. And I'm here to tell you where they are spending the money. Now, they have teamed up with CSOs. And this Christmas, I learned CSOs are taking home about 50,000 each, just to be silent and allow them to. And NDC communicators on social media, they are paying each about 4,000. 4,000 just to spend Christmas, and we are out there crying for government to help us. And they are increasing light bill, water bill every day and every day out. We will not sit and allow babies with sharp teeth to destroy this country. What is happening? If we turn right, it's corruption. Left, corruption. Why? Is it the reset you promise Ghanaians that you are coming to reset? Now, if you engage in this type of dubious means, corruption upon corruption, and you expect that you can fight corruption. No. He who demands equity must come with clean hands. Clean hands, NDC. Come with clean hands so that we will know that you are serious. All of you, your hands are tainted. You can't fight corruption. Keep on deceiving yourselves. Keep on enjoying alone. NDC. and people will be out there crying. Market women are now crying, lambasting Mahama here and there. And you take $214 million just for Sammy Gyamfi alone to enjoy. Me, I know that this GoldBod was created for Ibrahim Mahama and Sammy Gyamfi and John Mahama to dupe this country. That's what I think.
To the wide mama, our comment section. I Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!